This is Discount Diva. I'm doing an unboxing on Birchbox. I opened it yesterday. I got it late in the day. Sorry, I was just curious. But wait. This is how it comes. It was cute with the little tassel. It's a drawer that pulls out. I don't know if all you're familiar with Birchbox. It's a paid subscription. I didn't get paid to do this. I paid for it myself. It's, you know, $10 a month. I'm doing it for 6 months to try it out. And it's a cute box. I think it's more like for Gay Pride Month. The colorings. That's what it might be. Oh, I could be wrong, but that's I think it is. That everybody's doing that. It's cute. It pulls out. Oops, sorry, Phil. If you refer a friend, you get $20 for each friend. So it's not bad. It's loyalty points. I did a video earlier and it didn't take. I don't know, my phone was acting up. So it comes like this. It pulls out and it's wrapped real nice. This is in here. This is not a beauty box, as you can see. It just gives you a lot of information about here. It's when you start Birchbox, we set out to make the world of beauty simple. We learned along the way that it's about so much more than that. And it's a lot of stuff. I don't think you want me to read this whole thing. And this is about the products you're getting, how much it costs for full size. You know, this is good so you know what you're getting, what the uses are for. This is Kula, if I'm pronouncing it right. It's organic. It's a lotion that has sun protection. It's a classic body lotion, SPF 30, tropical coconut oil. Full size is $32. It smells really nice. It smells like coconut. The package of it is like a seal to it. Excuse this lint is driving me crazy. I can't get it off. It's stuck to me. Smells real pretty. Let's see what it looks like. I don't want to squeeze that much. Yeah. This smells nice. Smells real. Next product is called, No Pore Problem Priming Water. It's made Rosewater. And let's see. Full size $23. Gently press 1 to 2 drops into face. Wear alone or with makeup. The primer, which has water-like consistency and subtle rose scent, shrinks the appearance of pores, smooth skin, and controls shine. So if you have oily skin, along with the large pores, it's going to help. I'm going to choose because I get the large pores, but I don't have oily skin. I have dry skin. So. No, it smells very light. It's not overpowering. It's not perfuming. I sprayed this in my hair earlier. It helped a little bit. It has a strong scent. If you got asthma or something, you might not care for it. It's a little bit on the strong side. Is Jordi or the main? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm sorry for screwing it up, but it comes in a spray, as you can see. If it comes out. Yeah, I don't want to spray it on me. It's going to be super perfumey. And full size for this is, let's see. This is an interesting product because it has a sugar texturing rather than salt, and that would dries you out too much, and it gives you beachy waves. My hand's on the wavy side, but it looked like it helped bring it up a little bit more. I didn't use a diffuser today, so it didn't go up as much, but it did. When you use air dry it comes out a lot better. And how much is this again? I don't remember if I said. $22. Spray on damp or dry strands and then style. And this I'm going to mess up too. I have the Dry shampoo to this isn't bad. I think it's called Or Rib. I'm sorry if I'm massacring the name on this. This is for, sorry, I don't have my glasses on. It's a balm of heat styling shield. Full size is $43. That's pretty steep. Beat frizz even on the most humid day with protective styling cream that, activated by heat, help to amp up shine and fight flyaways. Before styling with heat, work throughout damp hair. So, let me see what this smells. I forgot. It's a little scenty, but it's not bad. It's light. They make everything. It's kind of on the fruity side. It's nice. And how much was that one? 43. Yeah, I did tell you about that one. What did I show you? This is Joyer. It's a lip topper, long wear lip topper. I actually have it on. I don't know if you can see it because I put it on earlier. I'll show it to you again. It's a long wear lip topper, tan line, full size, $16. Like a top coat on your lips. This formula can be worn alone for a shimmery, gorgeous sheen layered over liquid lipstick or amp up its color. Apply on clean lips or add a coat. I can't read that. On top of your favorite lipstick. I wear it alone. It isn't bad. I'll show it to you. It's like a golden color, like a dark, like very glittery, a little bit on the glitter. Has a lot of, this is what it looks like. It's a nice size. And see, that's how it looks. Tastes like cookies. I'm going to put it on my hand. It's not bad. Has a good flavor. It reminds me of cake batter. It's kind of yummy. It's not bad. I thought it was going to be, oh my god, look how dark it is. And I don't want to go in the box for some reason. Maybe because I don't have this one, right? Okay. And that one, I told you, yeah, it was $16. That's not bad. And this is mascara called They're Real. I'll just show you what it looks like now. Has a nice brush to it, but it's a little tiny bit clumpy, so you would have to use, you know, like a separator. Let's do this quickly as I can. What's it called? This goes, and it's a Birchbox Beauty Award winner, Benefit Cosmetics. This mascara lengthens, thickens, and curls lashes, and it innovate brush and smudge-proof formula withstands even the most sweaty situations. So this is my box. It was a pretty good box. And I'm sorry my video was a little long, me reading everything. And don't forget the $20 people that have the subscription. So you get $20 for each person you refer to. That's not bad. It's incentive for them and for you. So I would like to get more viewers, subscribers, that's the right word. I'm trying to grow this channel more. I do a lot of discount shopping. I do a little bit of beauty, hair coloring, and especially plus size. And I do Dollar Tree hauls. So if you have any suggestions for stores you'd like me to go to, I will go to them. I'll do my upcoming video soon would be about JCPenney again. I love JCPenney. I don't get paid to do it. So click on the bell if you want to see that video too. And I'm going to be doing a Pinch Me box soon. So I'm supposed to be getting that soon. So click on the bell. I don't know if I said it. I have to really say it. But if you don't want to, I would love if you do. So have a good weekend. I'm going to try to put the video up as soon as I can. And I'll even have pictures on Instagram. That's Pyra927. Okay? And I'm the Discount Diva. But I don't have myself as Discount Diva there, but it'll be on the hashtag. So have a good weekend again. Bye.